Okay, today I'm at the range. I'm shooting my SKS paratrooper model. It's a Russian or a Norinco made SKS I got back in the 90s. I put this this synthetic stock on it, building synthetic stock. Okay, it takes AK mags. It doesn't take the extra lip. It's just got the regular AK mag. It's called the Paratrooper Sportsman. Okay, and so we'll be shooting it out to 50 yards. Okay, all right, so here we go. 50 yards AK Sportster from Norinco. It. All right, doesn't have a hole open, but once you use the shoot the last round, you can hold it open with the mag. All right, let's go out there and see what we did. All right, again, this is at 50 yards, open sights, and again, I wear glasses. I always shoot to the left. I don't know why, but I do. Every pistol, gun, rifle, I always shoot to the left. But maybe somebody can help me correct that. But this is what it shot at 50 yards. Not a bad group at all. I just got cross eyes, that's all. All right. If you're not always ready for the fight, you're never ready for the fight. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.